Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. Lots to share with you guys. But first, I am back. I took a week off and it was the least I've worked in a really long time. My son was on spring break and I wanted to spend some time with him. I went on a little road trip to Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, which was a lot of fun. We went to New Orleans. We went to a couple of beaches. So just had a really nice time. If you followed me for a while, you may know my son is trying to hit all 50 states, and we were making like ridiculously good progress on that until 2020. And then it was like big life things just came at us and it slowed our progress down quite a bit. But I want to say he's at 29 states that he's seen so far. So we knocked out a few more on our spring break trip. And now we came back to crazy life again. He had submitted a virtual audition for a professional musical and got a call back while we were on vacation. So that is tonight. So wish him luck. He has his call back tonight. And then he also has 2 more auditions that he's submitting virtually today. So it's a crazy day, a crazy week. It's tech week for another show that he's in. So that will have performances Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that is just our life, always auditioning and performing in something, but he loves it and it makes him happy, and I love watching him perform. So that's my personal update, but let's talk about the best deals at Walgreens. First and foremost, there is a St. Patrick's Day code that you can use. It is Lucky17. That'll take 17% off your total when you're placing a online or a curbside order. Just be careful with using codes because when you're doing like a spend deal, so spend 20, get 5, or spend 20, get 7, that code will reduce your spend amount. So if you're at $20 and then you enter the code and it takes $3 off, you're no longer at $20 anymore. So it requires you to do a little bit more math when you're doing a spend deal and you're using a coupon code like that. And I'll talk about that more here in just a minute. Another code you can use for a free photo is 8x10-print. So you can score a free 8x10. I believe you can do it once in the app and once online. So give that a try and see if you're able to actually score 2 of them for free. I double checked to make sure the code worked, but I didn't actually order a photo. Let's talk about easy deals first. These are ones you would want to do in store because they are register reward deals and those are only going to print out in store. The Tresemme. So the Tresemme is on sale for $6. Pick up 2 of them. There is a digital coupon for $5 off. So you'll pay $7 at the register. You'll get back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for both of them or just $1 each. Yes, you could use your Walgreens cash to pay for that or other register rewards to pay down your balance. Same deal with the Pantene, or very similar. These are also giving a $5 register reward. They are $5 each. Pick up 2 of them. Clip the $3 digital, so you'll pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for both or $1 each. So I did both of those deals in store this morning. Both of the register rewards printed. I did do them in separate transactions. Now, let's talk about the Scott products. They are buy one, get one half off. There is $1 digital on each of them. So pick up one at $5. Pick up the paper towels at $2.50. Now, it's only this kind of paper towel that is also buy one, get one 50% off. There's another pack that doesn't qualify for that. So if your store doesn't carry these, you may not see it. But I got this at $5. This rang up 50% off, so $2.50. Then $1 digital on each of them, making it $5.50 for both or $2.75 each. Now, this week, check your digital coupons. You should see a coupon for spend 20, get $7 in Walgreens cash on the Nice and Walgreens branded items. The way you can tell if a product qualifies for that is when you are In the app, you're going to see it underneath the product. So it's a lot of the food items. So y'all know one of my favorite things to get a deal on is food. So I put together a spend 20, get 7 scenario that worked for me. You pick what works best for you, but I wanted to get sale items with that promotion. So the trail mix is on sale for $1.78. I picked up one of those. The applesauce, these are 2 for $5, but they're buy one, get one 50% off. So that makes 2 of them $3.75. And then the coffee, the K-Cups, which y'all know I drink coffee like crazy, they are $3.99 each. So I got 4 of those, 2 of the applesauces, and 1 of the trail mixes. That came out to be $21.49. I did not use a coupon code on this. I got $7 in Walgreens cash back, making it $14.49 for all of it. Now, I could have spent a little bit more money and used that Lucky 17 code, and it would have taken 17% off. Still getting the $7 back as long as I spent $20 after that code comes off. But I also had a spend 30, get $7 in Walgreens cash digital booster that I had clipped. And those 2 boosters will stack. The spend 30 get 7 and the spend 20 get 7. So not only did I buy the grocery items, but then I added in the Neutrogena Clear Pour because there is a Walgreens cash deal as well as an offer on Ibotta. So these are $7.99 each. They are spend 15, get $5 in Walgreens cash. And there was a $4 digital. So I spent $11.98. I got back $6 on Ibotta, $5 for spending the 15 on the Neutrogena products, making it 98 cents for both of them, or 49 cents each. Now, this is the reason I didn't use that Lucky 17 code, because that would have dropped my total for these under that $15, which I didn't want to happen. Now, how it worked out when I put it all together, I combined these 2 deals just like I explained. My total was $33.47. Got back 7 for spending 30, 7 for spending 20, 5 for spending 15, and then $6 on Ibotta, making my total for everything you see here $8.47. Now, someone left me a comment the last time I did a video, and they're like, oh, why didn't you use register rewards to pay down your balance? You absolutely can use register rewards to pay down your balance as long as they are manufacturer register rewards. That way you're paying less out of pocket. A lot of times I won't tell you that I use register rewards because not everyone has that to do, and I don't want it to be confusing. So if y'all have questions on that, let me know. I also, when I checked out for these things, I ended up getting a paper booster for spend 30, get 7, but I have not used that paper booster. I could have combined all 3 of those, the 2 digitals and the paper, and done it in store, but I didn't have the paper booster until I checked out. Now, I think that was everything that I purchased. Let me tell you about a few other deals you might want to check out. The Finish dish tabs are $5.49. There's a $2 digital, making it $3.49. The Nivea Men body wash, they are spend 15, get 5. They are $5 a piece, so you want to buy 3 of them. That puts you at $15. Clip the $4 digital. You'll pay $11, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $6 for all 3 of them, or $2 each. Because it is a spend deal, spend 15, get 5, you don't want to use your Walgreens cash to pay for that one. Now, if you don't like the nice K-Cups, the McCafe K-Cups are buy one, get one free. They're priced at $9.99, so that makes them about $5 a box. After that buy one, get one free sale, which is still more expensive than what the Nice is this week. The Nice brand nuts, like the almonds and the cashews, they are buy one, get one free this week. The Kellogg's cereal, I think it was called Cocoa Krispies. They're 3 for $5.99, but there's a $1.50 digital attaching to those, making it $4.49 for all 3 of them, or $1.49 each. The General Mills cereal is 2 for $5. There's a $1 digital, making it 2 for $4, or just $2 each. Yes, there is an Ibotta offer for $1 back on 2, but you cannot combine the Ibotta offer and the coupon, so just a heads up on that. The Pop-Tarts are 3 for $5. There's a $1 back on Ibotta, making it 3 for $4, or just $1.33 each. And then the sodas, the Sprite and the Coke, were 3 for $15.99, which makes it $5.33 each. I feel like there were more things I wanted to tell you. Of course, if you buy the Procter & Gamble products, you want to submit to that pggoodeveryday.com. It's completely free. You get points for those receipts, and then you can cash out those points to gift cards. I want to say I got a Dunkin' Donuts gift card last week using my points, but the gift cards were available, and so I snagged a $5 gift card at some point last week. Maybe it was Amazon. I can't remember which one I got. Last thing that I want to share, as I was doing this video, as y'all can see, I put these little sticky notes on the back of the products because I can't remember the deal off the top of my head, so I have to give myself a little reminder. And I sat down to do my video, and my son had put a little sticky note on the back of the toilet paper that says, "Best mom ever, the coupon is being awesome, buy one get one free, nope, one is enough, and the final cost is one awesome mom." That's how amazing my child is. He's my little love. So anyway, last thing, clearance. I was in the store yesterday, Saturday, and I saw a bunch of clearance on the grocery aisle. So I will post pictures at the end of this video of everything that I saw on clearance, including a few more things not on the grocery aisle that were 90% off. So check your store. If they don't have it marked, you could always ask, "Hey, do you mind scanning this and telling me how much it is?" It may ring up on clearance. It may not. Clearance does vary by store. But that being said, it tends to be pretty consistent even across the nation, things getting marked down at similar times. All right, I think that was it. If y'all have questions, drop them down in the comments below. Thanks.